Well into the terminal count. T-minus 50 seconds and counting.
T-minus 30 seconds.
T-minus 15 seconds.
T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do we have engine ignition?
Engine start and liftoff. The SS Kalpana Chawla takes flight, sights set on the International Space Station. Pitch and roll programmer in.
Engines at 100%. Attitude nominal, vehicle subsystems nominal. Engines are steady and nominal, 100%. Altitude, 20,000 feet.
1 minute into the flight, everything looking good on Antares.
Passing through max Q, attitude nominal. Engines at 100%.
Antares passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
50,000 feet. Attitude nominal. All vehicle subsystems are nominal.
Coming up on the 2-minute mark into the flight, everything looking good.
Just passing 100,000 feet. Attitude nominal. Vehicle subsystems nominal.
Ay, hindi pala. Sige. Kahit wala na.
Engines remain at 100%. Attitude nominal. Vehicle subsystems nominal.
Good reports from the Range Control Center at Wallops.
30 seconds to throttle down.
Throttle down is the precursor to main engine cutoff for the first stage.